Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add someone to a Slack conversation. Now, to do this, you must follow me. So at first, you need to open up your Slack application or just go to your browser and go to slack.com. I'm just gonna open up my browser. Then I'm gonna go to slack.com. As you can see, it says welcome back. And I see all my workplaces listed over here. You need to open the workspace that you need to work on right now. I'm gonna work on tech, so I'll just click on launch here. Then just wait for Slack to launch the workplace. And you might need to click on use Slack in your browser over here. Then just wait for this workplace to load up. Then you can go to any of the channels, whichever you want. And from here, you can click on get channel details. This is basically the conversation. Then from here, you can click on members and see all the members listed over here. Currently, there's only one member to this conversation or channel. And to add more member, what I can do is just click on add people. Now from here, I have two options. I can either add all the members of the tech workspace, or I can add specific people. Now I want to add specific people, so I'm just gonna select that. And from here, I need to type their name. Let's say I want to add someone called Labello Haki, so I'll just type their name and select them. And after that, I'll just need to click on add. If you need to add all the members, select the first option and click on add. I'm gonna add a specific people, so I'm just gonna type their name and click on add. And there you go, this member has been added to my conversation. And basically that is how to add a person to a conversation in Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.